Hey guys, today we're going to take a sneak peek at the best Bluetooth padlock in the market. So, if you're planning to buy one, then you're at the right place. Please do check out the description below to see all the featured products and their buy link. Let's get started. Say goodbye to cumbersome password combinations. You can unlock the smart padlock with your finger only for a split second. Don't worry about losing a key or forgetting a password. MEGAFEIS Fingerprint Padlock can register up to 100 sets of fingerprints. You can also authorize and share a lock with your family or friends to use it. MEGAFEIS Smart Padlocks have lower power consumption and longer standby time. The USB rechargeable 150 mAh lithium battery can support up to 6 months of standby time, or 2 months in one charge. The smart lock will remain locked. Simply connect to a USB power supply and recover. The padlock beam is made of stainless steel for excellent tamper resistance. IP65 weatherproof protects against dust and water. You can connect the smart padlock to a free mobile app by Bluetooth. You can use the app to register fingerprints, unlock, set authorized users, check the last 1,000 unlock activities, and more. This digital lock is tiny and easy to put in your pocket. It's the best choice for you to take to the gym, school, fence, toolbox, bag, box, closet, and more. The fingerprint lock can unlock the person, unlock time, unlock locations, and use time in real time. You can also use the app to unlock or remotely authorize your family, friends, or colleagues to unlock. The lock has low power consumption and a long standby time. A 110 mAh rechargeable lithium battery can support more than 6 months of standby time and be unlocked more than 2,000 times, using the USB cable or power bank to charge the lock. The main body of the padlock is made of aluminum alloy, and the lock is made of stainless steel, which has excellent cut resistance and can protect your private property. This excellent thumbprint padlock takes less than 0.5 seconds for unlocking, and it supports 100 sets of fingerprints. You can also authorize and share fingerprint padlocks with your family and friends to use them. OMaggie Fingerprint Lock gets rid of the troubles of losing keys or forgetting passwords. Your fingerprint is your password. Padlock with fingerprint function provides a safe and private way for unlocking and identity verification. Smart padlocks have lower power consumption and longer standby time. The USB rechargeable 150 mAh lithium battery can support up to 6 months of standby time, or 3 months. OMaggie Gym Lock's compact size can be carried anywhere you go. Smart Fingerprint Bluetooth Padlock is suitable for both indoor and outdoor. It is made of an aluminum alloy lock body, along with stainless steel lock beam, enhancing the sturdiness of the padlock. The IP65 waterproof and high-quality dustproof design makes it outstanding and long-lasting. The MasterLock 4401 DLH is the all-weather model of the company's line of smart padlocks that can be controlled via Bluetooth through a smartphone app. With its heavy-duty body covered in weather-resistant rubber housing and an extra-long shackle, this is one padlock that has both brains and brawn. And while it offers reliable security and sharing features, its price makes it quite an investment. However, if you need to provide several people access to a storage locker, it could be worth the cost. As you'd expect from a MasterLock, the unit itself carries a particular heft in hand, as well as a substantial 2.2-inch wide body and a 0.34-inch diameter shackle that features a roomy 2 inches of clearance. MasterLock claims the lock has anti-shim technology, meaning it would be tough to pull the shackle loose. One unique and beneficial feature of the app is the auto relock feature. If you accidentally pocket unlock your padlock, the app will automatically relock the shackle after 5 seconds. There's also locker mode, for those times when you might want to lock up your phone in a gym locker or some other storage unit. Locker mode activates a ClickPad code to unlock the device. Cheffort is one of the most delicate padlocks on the market. It has semiconductor fingerprint sensing technology that can store 10 sets of fingerprints. All you have to do is short press to unlock and enter the fingerprint in the app. Voila! Fingerprint setting is done. It's got a lithium battery that has 180 mAh 3.7 volts, which can last 3 months on standby. It features a fingerprint padlock, USB cable, and instruction manual in the package. eGeeTouch is a smart lock that keeps getting smarter. Is dedicated to relentlessly improving, with the launch of our 4th generation smart padlock, eGeeTouch has gotten yet another power boost. It features this patented smart lock technology in a new waterproof, freeze-proof, and corrosion-resistant form, significantly upgraded from its predecessor. Its rugged design, tailored especially to meet the need for outdoor use. Inside its tough metal casing, it also added a rechargeable battery, ensuring that it's tamper-proof and long-lasting. No key, no combination code to remember, and no tiny 3-digit wheels to dials. No more hassle of managing and duplicating a large number of conventional keys. No more worry on lockpicking and bumping experienced when using conventional locks. Unlocking and tracking with your Apple and Android phones, Apple Watch, and Samsung Gear S2 and 3. A coin-sized waterproof NFC fob tag is included for backup unlocking. It provides extra flexibility and convenience to users' preferred unlocking choices with a smartphone, NFC fobs and tags, and smartwatch. Use multiple fobs to access each lock and quickly set them using the app. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all of the buy links of products featured today. Thank you!